Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Sides, Inchcape Mercedes-Benz After Sales Director, and once again I am here with not only one of the best cars I think I've ever seen in my life, but something that I'm lucky enough to say I sold. So I've been waiting to film this video for, let me think now, I think it's coming up to 2 years. When I first took the order for this car, I remember jumping up and down thinking it was Christmas come early, and now that it's here, it definitely does feel like that. For those of you car lovers out there watching this video, this truly is one of the most special videos I think I'm ever gonna film. This is the AMG GTR Black Series. So here it is. You have got no idea how long I've waited to actually touch this car. Magma Beam Orange, what do you think? I definitely think the customer chose right. So in terms of the specification of this car, we'll go through that in a minute. I'll make sure that I start the engine so you can hear exactly what this car can do. But for now, let's see under the bonnet and see that amazing AMG engine. So here we are. After what I will admit to was quite a bit of fuddling to get it open because I couldn't find the release, but that isn't my fault. I just hadn't seen this car before. So here is the AMG one man, one engine, AMG absolute unique beauty of an engine for the GTR Black Series. It was made by, and excuse my pronunciation, Sally Deniser at Mercedes-Benz in Germany. Of course, all AMG cars are one man, one engine. So one technician will have built this AMG engine and he will have signed it here, as you can see. So this is the engine that powers the AMG GTR Black Series. Look at all of the carbon under here. Okay, so let's talk about some of the power behind this car. 720 brake horsepower, twin turbo, 4-litre V8 with a 0 to 60 of 3.2 seconds. Can you get anything faster on our roads? So let's take a look inside and look what we've got. We've got the suede finish on the dash over here, which is absolutely gorgeous. The 4 jets, as you know, I've said this before on previous videos, the design here like a V with the 8 button holes is the V8, of course, to say about the engine. And in terms of the design of the car, the turbines just look like those of an aeroplane to remind you of speed. Now, we've got a lot of covers inside the car because, of course, this is a sold vehicle, it's going to a customer. So we're keeping all of the covers on to keep it nice and protected. But you can just see underneath here, it's the black seats with the orange line through the middle to match the outside of the car. Right, should we turn it on? Should we get an idea of what this car sounds like? Are we ready? It's just too much. I am so excited. I literally feel like it is my Christmas present come true. As you can see now, all the buttons have now lit up within the car as well. I'm gonna actually have to turn it off so you can hear me, so I'll just turn it off now. But as you can see then, the button's illuminated within the car, so I'm just gonna get the actual car on. So in terms of the dash up here, we've got your command system. This car has also got the track control package as well, which you can see the button for here, which basically means that this car has got the power, got the speed, but it's also got, of course, all of the support of the track control package. The display and all of the dash up here is controlled via the touchpad down here, which is great to use. Of course, you've got your Bluetooth, your command, all of those things are standard on the vehicle, so they're all on there. Of course, you've got your Connect Me as well, which you can set it to the vehicle. We've got more carbon inside, which you can see coming down here. And of course, the gorgeous AMG Alfalfa back emblem here in the beautiful napa leather dash. In here, you've got options to charge your phone if you want to. But let's be honest, this car is not a car to be using for work, etc. This is a car for fun. This is all about power. This is all about stability. And this steering wheel, which I can just about show you with the gloss back and the nubuck suede here as well, make sure that you've got the firmness onto the steering wheel whilst keeping control of this amazing car. Okay, so let's talk carbon. This car, as you can see, has the carbon air vents on the front over here and a full carbon roof. I don't think I've seen that before, actually. I haven't seen that on any of our GTR Black Series or any of our GTR normal vehicles and either that we get through. And then we've got the carbon splitter at the rear as well. The amount of carbon on this car is absolutely out of this world. In terms of the wheels, we've got 10 spoke forged alloys down here as well in the powder black, which looks absolutely stunning. And this colour combo has been chosen by the customer, so this is the customer's own preference. And of course, we have the carbon skirts along the bottom as well. And as I've just spotted over here, on the wing mirrors, Have you ever seen a more beautiful rear of a car? I know that I'd be happy to sit behind this car the whole way from north to south on that motorway. So let's see inside the boot and give you an idea of the roll bars. The gorgeous carbon. You couldn't take this to a car park, let's be honest, with that roof. Okay, so roll bars here. In terms of the boot size, look, again, this isn't a car for traveling millions of miles, is it, for driving? This is a car that's about speed and power, but there's enough room to put things in here for an overnight stay, etc., etc. What you also get here, you get your seat belts. So look at these seat belts, your racing seat belts, which can go in the car. They, of course, haven't been put in yet because they are the customer's to put in himself. You get your AMG key fob for your key, which, of course, I haven't put in as yet. That'll be for the customer. And, of course, look at this. Access to the private lounge at AMG. Now, if I was buying this car, that's definitely something which I would want to keep a hold of. And safety. First aid kit. Always thinking the safety Mercedes-Benz, so that's in there as well. But yep, there we go, boot, done and dusted. There really isn't enough time on a video for me to say what I need to do about this car, but let's be honest, the car does the talking. So in terms of images and cutaways, I'll make sure that Tim gets a load of those for you today. This car really is just so special. I'm hoping to do a part 2 where we can go out with the customer and actually get some live shots of the vehicle on the road. But for now, it's safe and secure here with us in the dealership at Mercedes-Benz in Warrington, awaiting delivery this week. So again, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Click a big thumbs up for us, put some comments below on what you'd like to see next, and who knows, the vehicles that we've got coming for you, this GTR Black Series, will it be the top or will it not? Hopefully we might get something better coming through soon, but I doubt it. This is definitely my favourite. Take care now, stay safe, see everyone soon.